Yo, what's poppin'? Welcome to Bhroman Braapsody. We are here, I don't know where. This is somewhere.
Blowing Rock, North Carolina.
Blowing Rock.
Sort of near there anyway.
Blowing Rock, North Carolina, apparently.
And it is blowing.
It is. All right, Blowing Rock.
Yeah, there go the rocks.
All right, so we are here. I got a text from you guys that show up here for something. What are we doing here, guys? Where's the professor?
Well, this is not really the professor's bag. He's more of a track guy. So this is more of our
pavement.
This is more of our playground. But as you're no doubt aware, as is anyone else who rides motorcycles, the sport of adventure riding is a pretty big deal, and it's really popular, really a lot of fun. And as brilliant as BMW's GS series is for venturing off of paved surfaces, we feel that you don't necessarily need to have an adventure motorcycle to have an adventure. So we have brought some of BMW's heritage line, the R18 and R NineT out here to do some mixed riding today on some variety of surfaces, and it's going to include some gravel roads and some Forest Service stuff, and we're just going to have ourselves a little adventure on street bikes today.
We might even cross a stream or two. We're foregoing the heated seats today and
the electronic suspension
in pursuit of a more pure experience. This is truly the heritage of motorcycle riding. Take your motorcycle, ride it anywhere, ride with anyone at any time.
I like it. But I see you guys have heated gear on. So
yeah, because it is pretty cold today.
Some of us have heated gear, some of us do not. Some of us are old school.
I like it.
Yeah, because we're old.
And so for the folks who've not seen the rest of the crew at Motorcycles of Greensboro, we got Andrew, and this is Paul.
And this is Kevin. This is our sterling fan club member. And he is also riding an R18, and this guy will ride in any weather, at any time, any place.
Absolutely. I love to ride a bike. It doesn't matter where it is. Gravel, pavement, dirt. As long as I can keep it up, I'll keep going.
It's going to be a little different from our usual reviews and where we talk about bikes and stuff.
It's a little more about motion than the bikes themselves. This is about the experience.
And if you look around, you'll see it's a gravel road all across. So this should be a lot of fun. I'm excited
If
to
you're
go.
lucky, maybe we can get Bhroman actually onto one of the R18s on a dirt road, and that'll be great fun.
Oh boy. Okay.
This will be fun.
Yeah.
This will be fun.
It's ride o'clock, man. Let's get after it.
It is right.
It is right. Oh, so you guys stole my line?
Now,
Paul, what do you have to say about yourself?
let's get stuck.
We just got started. You having fun? Not at all. Maybe a little bit.
No,
Not
I hate
even a-
riding motorcycles.
You hate it? Ah, shit.
Yeah, this is awful.
Motorcycles suck.
What about you?
Oh, I love motorcycles.
All right, so you love motorcycles. You hate motorcycles.
I hate motorcycles. They're the worst thing in the world.
What about you, Andrew?
This is the worst way to spend a Sunday.
The worst.
This is horrible. I'd rather be sitting at home watching Netflix.
And that's our assistant director for today.
Yard work.
And he's been sitting in the
Right here.
in the bed of the truck to get us some footage. So thank you.
Oh boy. Shut it off. Oh golly, my toes are wet.
Well, I knew we was gonna get wet.
Yep.
Cause I'm a crazy fucker.
Let's do this. Hold on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Oh my God. What have we gotten him into? Shit.
I don't know if they're gonna be able to get past.
I don't know if they are either.
I'm just glad we finally got something to eat.
Yeah. Found something to eat in the middle of nowhere, right?
Betsy's Old Country Store here in Mortimer, North Carolina.
Andrew's favorite.
A local legend.
A local legend, Andrew's favorite. Give us a couple of highlights.
It was great. It was a little chilly today, but other than that, you know, great day for riding. Very little traffic, and it was just
Good
fun.
day for swimming.
Yeah.
Good day for a little bit of a swim.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a fun day to kind of put these bikes through their paces a little bit, and just have a little bit more of a challenging ride. You know, the BMW GS is perhaps a lot better suited to the kind of riding we were doing today. But you know, it's fun to ride a big street bike on a gravel road.
Gravel road, yeah.
You know,
Nothing wrong with that.
yeah.
Sometimes taking the easy way, not the way to go.
Right on.
This is a little bit more challenging.
Why do things the easy way when they can be done the hard way, right?
Exactly.
You never know what you're going to find on an adventure ride.
Yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of fun, guys. Well, thank you so much.
Thanks
This was
for
fun. We
coming.
should do it again.
Absolutely.
Let's do it again. Oh, we forgot one person, right?
Oh, who'd we forget?
Who did we forget? I don't know. We forgot somebody. Where is he?
Who's the man
Where
behind
is
the
he?
camera?
Who's the man behind the camera?
there he is.
Where is he?
Come on.
That's him.
Guys.
That's the man behind the camera. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. This was a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. It was a lot of pleasure.
We should do it. We should do it again.
Yes, though. Thank you for
Absolutely.
documenting it.
Yes, we should do it again.
Thanks for inviting me.
Yes, and thanks for inviting me.
Anytime.
Right on. Let's do it again.
All right.
And I'll see you guys soon.